Have you ever looked up into the sky and asked the bigger questions? Who am I? Why is there technology? Will I ever go fast as a predator does? Will I get married and have family? Or will I suffer dire consequences for past sins? Time is the cruel customer of death, and sometimes life just needs a chance.
Hello, and welcome to science, my friends. Oh, alright. Yeah. So, let's talk about the multiverse theory. Or parallel dimensions theory. Whatever. There's the theory that with each choice that's made in one universe, there's another universe for the other choice that's made. So if I flip a coin, if it's heads, it's this universe. If it's tails, it's another one. But what I'm really wondering is, in all these different universes, are there different me's? Like, am I the lazy, chain-smoking art student in this universe? In another universe, I could be the business Schiff, or Eskimo Schiff, or Queen Schiff II. Math teacher Schiff. Clown Schiff. Ringmaster Schiff. So, why'd I get stuck with this one? There are way cooler Schiffs out there, obviously. And so all you universes out there, shut the fuck up. What, you think you're better than me? You think you're better than all of us? Who the hell do you think you are? Where do you get off? Don't you get it? What, do you think I was born yesterday? Don't you understand? God. What? Why? Who? Anyway, anyhow, what I was saying, let's get back to the point, shall we? Keep the ball rolling. Let's move up that mountain. Come on, I don't got all day. What are you talking about? Let's go. You're out of here. You know what, buddy? I'm done with it. I'm a little off topic here. Multiverse, cool shit. Peace.